This activity is sorting by fields in a view and sorting by fields not in a view. The scenario is you have a view that shows sales for product subcategories and separated by category. You want to order the subcategories from highest to lowest based on sales. Then you'll manually change the order of the categories so that technology is at the top. The first item over here is to sort the subcategory field by the sum of sales in descending order. The way that the sorting mechanism works is that we have a measure over here for sales. So when we are sorting this, it is sorting by the field of sales. If we had additional metrics in here, or if we had different metrics in here, that would be listed over here. So if we want to sort by whichever category, let's say we want to sort by the main category, right? Then we could select the sum of sales for a category. But we want to sort by the subcategory field. So let's go ahead and sort that. And the second item is to sort the category manually with technology first. One other thing you can do in Tableau is that you can drag and drop so that things will be sorted in your preferred order. The way that this applied for me the other day was that I had some dates that were out of order because I was using a discrete date field and I wanted to move the end of last year from the end which showed up as week 52 to the beginning of the graph. Okay, so the second activity is sorting by fields not in a view. The scenario here is that we have a view that shows sales for product subcategories, and we want to see how profitable the subcategories are. Keeping the sales axis, sort the bars from most to least profitable, and color and code the bars by profit. The first step here is to sort the subcategory field by profit, aggregated by sum. So if we right-click on the dimension over here, we'll see this option for sort. And when we look at a nested field over here, we have all these other options over here. So if we wanted to sort by something that's not inside of the view, but it's included in our measures, like profit, then we could use that over here by right-clicking on the dimension. The second part of this is to color encode the bars by profit. So we've sorted by profit, but we won't be able to tell how well everything is doing until we give it an aspect. So we're going to bring the profit over to color so that we can see the difference in profitability by color. This red-green one is okay-ish at helping you look at profitability, but you can't really tell the difference between $200,000 in profit from slightly darker green. So one thing you could do with your sorting by color is that you can choose a different color palette. Something that's highly recommended by Tableau is to use this orange-blue diverging palette because it's easier for colorblind people to see the difference between unprofitable, negative profit, as well as the varying degrees. Well, actually, this is still blue and slightly darker blue. But you get what I mean.